Here are the step-by-step instruction for a basic step 1, cleansing and prep. Then follow up with toner to balance the skin pH level. Apply a moisturizer to hydrate your skin. Step 2, foundation and concealer. Apply your preferred foundation to even out your skin tone. And create a flawless canvas. And then use a concealer to cover your blemishes and dark circles. Apply your preferred foundation to even out your skin tone. And create a flawless canvas. And then contouring your face, jawline. Step 4, eyebrows. Step 5, eye makeup. Starting with a base shade on the eyelid. Then gradually building up darker shade in the crease. Step 5, and apply eye makeup, mascara to both. Starting with a base shade on the eyelid, upper and lower lashes. For a wide, gradually building up darker shade in the crease. And apply mascara to both your upper and lower lashes for a wide eye look. Step 6, blush and bronzer. Add a touch of color to your cheeks by applying a blush to the apple of your cheeks. Blend it out and use a bronzer to warm up your complexion. Step 7, lip color. Choose a lip color that complements your overall look and lastly, set the look. To ensure your face lip lasts all day, set your makeup with a setting spray or translucent powder.